Hello, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discoing. What a week. What a volatile, tough week for the stock market and for gold and gold miners. This is still a bullish case for gold. Since I started covering gold, GDXJ went from 30.03 to 33.74 right now. So I'm still basing my bullishness and technical reasoning, no emotions at all. So I'm starting now with TLT, the ETF for 20 plus year bonds, and this is the weekly time frame. And believe it or not, we still in a breakout mode of this head and shoulder. If you could watch my inverted head and shoulder, if you can watch my video from last week, I didn't change anything at all. So breakout and throw back, okay? Can go back and see nothing changed here, and it's still in breakout mode. All right, disco combo is still intact. High readings in the stochastic in the weekly time frame and the RSI and a bullish MACD. So nothing changed for TLT. Good deal. This is the UUP, the ETF for the dollar, and nothing changed too. I have this broken trend line that I did not even touch, and we still in breakdown mode for the dollar. We found sellers at the Fibonacci retracement, also at the old price memory and the trend line. Good deal. This is for the UUP. And plus, we still have a bearish MACD in the daily time frame, so nothing changed for the dollar technically. Good deal. This is the weekly time frame for the dollar, and we're still maintaining the bearish evening star. And as I said before, this bearish evening star usually provides resistance, and that's what happened. You have a white candle, doji, red candle, confirmation, another charge. Yet this three weeks pattern provided resistance, and this is what it's for. Also, we are below the overbought in RSI, so nothing changed in for the UUP. Still bearish in the daily and weekly. Good deal. Let's look at GLD in the daily time frame, which is the ETF for gold. Good deal. So what do I see beautiful here? I see an upslope and beautiful 10-day moving average with a beautiful MACD and high reading, embedded reading stochastic over 80 for some times now, which means that dipper buyers will continue to buy GLD for, as long as this reading stays as it is. And also, the RSI is still over 50. Beautiful. So that's for GLD. Another one for GLD. In the weekly time frame, every time. And by the way, we ended a green week, beautiful week, with all that volatility, and we still managed to have a green, beautiful week, up week. Every time the stochastic in the weekly time frame gets below 20 and try to rally and fail, and goes over 20 after that, a major rally happens. It happens in August to August 2021. It happened in December 2019. It happened in May, June, July 2019. It happened in October 2018. It happened in December 2017. It happened July to August or September 2017. It happened in late 2016. So, do I believe in this? Absolutely. So, if it worked every time back then, why not now? Okay, so this is a buying signal in the weekly time frame. Beautiful. Another thing for GLD, this is the shorter time frame, shorter moving averages, the 5 day, 8, and 13. And the price action managed to close over all of them, and all of them are in bullish formation. Good deal. Still embedded high reading in stochastic, which ensures the buyers. Same is true with RSI over 50. So definitely technically based. Another thing, today I did that just to see where gold is after that meltdown, after the job report, and I found out that we found buyers at an older price memory right here, exactly, okay, and we have an upsloping 10 and 20 moving average in bullish formation, and also the rest is true with stochastic and the RSI. See, you could see the price action melt down, and you think there's no floor, but once you zoom out and you try to see what the chart is telling you, you come down, you understand what's going on. That's why I tweet a lot whenever gold goes down, just to prove, to try to help people, to tell them just take a step back and look at the chart. Beautiful. This is SLV, the ETF for silver. And also I posted this in Twitter. It's forming a bull flag, and I was posting this while it was almost 3% down. How about that? How about that? See, you look at the chart and you hope for the best. At least you rely on something, not in your emotions, and you try to be the smartest guy and try to talk about the fundamental reasoning why it's going up and all of that. Whatever. Okay? So, bull flag formation in SLV, the ETF for silver. Definitely beautiful. You have a low, higher low, and an impulsive move right here. Boom! Over 10% in less than a week. Okay? So that doesn't go away usually. It corrects in a consolidation form. Most of the times, a high and tight bull flag, which has an extreme success rate and probabilities. Extreme. Okay? So this is SLV ETF for silver. Beautiful. Alrighty, GDX, and I also posted this yesterday, and also today I didn't post it, but I looked at it today. We formed a bullish wedge, and we broke out of that, and another bull flag, and broke out of that, and we tested both of them successfully. Okay. Also, I did the same thing with the RSI. RSI for the GDX, and it confirms the same thing. You have also a breakout in the its own bullish wedge, okay, and also made a higher high in the RSI, which means price follow momentum, and most likely we will break the 27 area for GDX. I don't want to be arrogant, but I'm almost 100%. It's not a financial advice. It's my own belief. Okay, beautiful. GDX. Let me look at the 10 and 20 with the MACD for GDX. Okay. Every time you have an open mouth like this in MACD and a 10 and 20 day moving average, you would have a crossover. And it's almost there, right here, if you could see it. And once you have that, you have a price expansion to the upside 100% of the time. Okay? You could go back and check it your own self. So I think 27 is game. It's game. I'm 100% in my belief. This is not a financial advice. I'm 100% sure we're gonna break the 27 for GDX. Okay. Also, we closed around the high for GDX. Okay. When was the last time this happened for GDX? Right here, March 1st, 2022. Look what happened after that. Okay? So today's action is extremely bullish for GDX. Look at that week. The whole week we've been going down, down, down. Look at that. Look at that harshness, that panic selling in 2nd of August and 3rd of August. Panic selling right here. With the Marbouzou. Right here. Bearish Marbouzou. And we managed to close over it. You know? Would you believe me to say this is the best GDX close since this fiasco in July 13th? This is the best GDX close for the week since this fiasco. Okay? So I talked about the bullish wedge and the breakout and bull flag in GDX in the daily time frame. Good deal. This is the weekly time frame. It is amazing. And after all that mayhem, we managed to have an up week for GDX. After all that mayhem, up week. Oh my God. This is the second up week for GDX, and we have a low and definitely confirmed higher low. This is the start of a new trend or trend reversal. And by the way, we had a bullish engulfing right here, and this is the confirmation for it. Okay, this is for the GDX in the weekly time frame. All right, this is GDXJ. I posted this today, and we do have a beautiful mini cup and handle. I like them apples. Classic. Classic. And this is extremely successful pattern too. And the same thing with the close today. We closed around the high. The last time this happened for the GDXJ was 1st of March, 2022. Okay? It's amazing. It really is amazing. With all that mayhem and people, compulsive people that sell with panic all the time and don't like to watch the charts sometimes, and they miss out in good fun we have. Really, remember, you must go through the pain in order to gain. The first video I made was July 14th, I guess, for GDXJ, and it was 30.02. We went through a lot of pain, and is now 33.74. More pain to come, and hopefully more gain. Good deal. GDXJ in the daily time frame, cup and handle. And this is the pattern I talked about. You have a failed rally. You go down, make a new low. Failed rally with the overbought stochastic, and you made an oversold in stochastic. Same right here. Then you have a rally, and that is what's going on right here. Okay? Now we have beautiful disco combo in addition to the cup and handle. Good? Beautiful. That's GDXJ in the daily time frame. That is GDXJ in the weekly time frame. And oh maronami, after all that mayhem, heartaches. We managed to have an up week, okay, with all that pain, up week, and also a bullish weekly signal that worked 100% of the time in the past. Failed rally, you go down. Stochastic below 20, you come out of it, a major rally takes place. You could check it on your own time. You could look at the chart right here. Okay, you could do it your own time. This worked 100% of the time. I ask you not. And for my defense, since I covered it, it went from 30.02 or 03 to 33.74. And if you watch my videos, you see my determined voice and attitude toward it. And it paid off. So I'm not just a wishful thinker. Good deal. So that's GDXJ in the weekly time frame for a weekly signal. And this signal also is true with GLD as well. Okay. So this is the weekly time frame, the GLD GDX ratio. And every time we have extremes in the RSI like this one, a rally takes place. That was true in March 2020. It was true in September 2018. It was true in late 2015, early to late 2015. You had rallies all over for GDX. From August, the final one was December. Okay? These things happened how much? 100% of the time. So why am I bullish? Not because of the paper gold and physical gold and all that. It is absolutely based on behavioral finance. Please like. If you like, please do like. Please do share. Please do subscribe. And please do remember that disco is forever.